I'm Devrit Agarwal and welcome to Behind the Times episode 2. A lot has happened in December. Nirmala Sitaram explained why caramel popcorn is taxed more than salted popcorn. Who knew CGST and SGST stand for Caramel Goods and Service Tax and Salted Goods and Service Tax? A new vape has come out with phone call and fitness tracking features. Selling a fitness tracker with vape is like selling a condom along with an STD. Kejriwal's house footage was leaked. Arvind Kejriwal looks like the type of guy जो jacuzzi में भी tumbler लेके जाता होगा. An iPhone fell into Temple's offering box. They said it now belongs to God. The Temple, in typical Apple fashion, rebranded robbery as donation. I guess the apple doesn't fall far from the tree. Allu Arjun was detained in connection with Stampede case at Pushpa 2 premiere. When told about the death, Allu Arjun reportedly said, मैंने तो बोला था, झुकने का नहीं. Gukesh became the youngest world chess champion after Ding Liren blundered in the final game. Ding Liren played like a knight, which is why he took the L. YouTuber Zara Dar drops out of PhD to become OnlyFans model. She actually only dropped the PH. She's still pursuing the D. India's official entry, Lapata Ladies, is out of the Oscars 2025 race. Guess all we can do now is imagine light at the end of this tunnel. We'll be right back with the main story after this commercial. Did you spot Priyanka Gandhi wearing a Palestinian tote bag? Do you also want your tote bag to communicate your political beliefs in a trendy fashion? Then look no further. We've come up with 3 totes that go perfectly with the current political turmoils. First one, the Save Manipur bag. It's in camouflage print because much like the issue, it blends in the background. Second, the Free Minorities in Bangladesh tote bag. This bag is perfect for when your house is being destroyed and you want to fly to your neighboring country. These will be very limited in number, just like Hindus in Bangladesh. Lastly, this Black Lives Matter tote, it's made of hand-picked cotton, and if you look really closely, you can see this. This bag is a metaphor for looking beyond the color of people's skins. Use code Free Palestine to get a replica of Priyanka Gandhi's tote. Hurry up and grab these before there's a new political issue that arises. Now on to our main story, the Ambedkar Row. During his speech in Rajya Sabha, Amit Shah said this regarding Ambedkar.
अभी एक फैशन हो गया है अंबेडकर 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 इतना नाम अगर भगवान का लेते तो 7 जन्मों तक स्वर्ग मिल जाता.
Amit Shah would have wished he could have deleted this moment from his life because of what followed next. Things escalated as Congress held protests seeking Amit Shah's resignation. I don't think anybody can remove Amit Shah from his post though. He's untouchable. BJP then held counter protests claiming that it is Congress actually who is insulting Ambedkar ji. BJP and Congress basically recreated the Spider-Man meme wherein their superpowers is to spread a web of lies. During the protests, things started heating up as Rahul Gandhi allegedly pushed BJP MP Pratap Chandra. His acting is worse than Kangana Ranaut in Krish 3. Talking about Kangana, she called Rahul Gandhi a gym trainer after the push. What does that make her? A dumbbell? Now for this episode, we got the opportunity to partner with Wire and got to interview Luigi Mangione, the CEO of Shooter. Hello, my name is Luigi Mangione, the CEO of Shooter, and today I'm doing the Wire autocomplete interview. I can't believe I went from playing video games in my room to interviewing for Wire.
You also killed a man in the middle.
Does Luigi Mangione prefer McDonald's or Burger King? I used to love McDonald's, but then I found out that kitchens are filled with rats. Guess I should have known. They're a bunch of clowns anyway. What is Luigi Mangione's favorite TV show? How to Get Away with Murder? I'm kidding. It's Manhunt Unabomber. What is Luigi Mangione's go-to pickup line? Are you a parasitic healthcare company? Because I'll spend my life savings on you. Does Luigi Mangione get his eyebrows done? What do you think? And the last question is Luigi Mangione single? I really don't want to break any hearts, but actually, I'm gay. I'm an Italian good looking murderer. Of course, I'm gay. This was Luigi Mangione with The Wire, and thank you all for watching. Hope I don't get the same silhouette Diddy. That's the end of our episode. We'll see you again next month. If you have any news you want us to cover, comment below and a happy new year. आजकल आप लोग न्यूज़ में देख रहे होंगे कि बहुत एक्सीडेंट्स हो रहे हैं, बहुत एक्सीडेंट्स हो रहे हैं. I feel like I am going to be next क्योंकि I am such a bad driver. You know, ड्राइवर का जॉब होता है to avoid traffic. I don't do that. I create traffic. There is no traffic. फिर मैं आता हूँ. And now it's a 3-hour traffic jam. You must have heard someone say once in your life कि I think there's a bottleneck ahead. I am the bottleneck.